Welcome to the Easy Computer channel, and basically we wanted to talk, or I wanted to talk today about one thing very simple: the Microsoft Store in Windows 10. Microsoft Store still exists, of course. It's come a long way since the original Windows 10 version, and one of the things that actually makes it also interesting is that it also has a lot more apps than it had at the beginning. And if you haven't gone through the Microsoft Store, App Store in Windows 10, I think it's time to revisit. There's a lot of stuff in there. There are games and, of course, apps. They even sell computers now and have devices that you can buy. So, just check it out and make sure that you look at all the possibilities in here, because there's a lot of stuff. And I think it's very, very nice to see the Microsoft Store kind of trying to, reinvent itself a little bit. But it's very, very, very nice to have this on your computer, and check it out. There's a lot of games. If you like games, lots of stuff in here. There's a lot of free stuff also. Many types of apps that are or could be of interest. You can, of course, search for anything if you have a specific subject. Say, for example, you want to see night sky. I'm going to type night sky into search, see if there's apps to see the night sky or stuff like that. Let's just type apps. So here, got to be more specific, but you can type like, astronomy and see what comes out in the apps, and you will have some stuff. Here we go, universe quiz, and there's all sorts of apps here on different things that you can do, including pictures and sky map and stuff like that. So lots of stuff to look at. Just make sure that you take a peek at the Microsoft Store, as it's much better than it used to be, and I think it's worth it to take a peek once again about what apps are available from here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.